Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Samsung wallet verification failed error in 2025. First thing you need to do is check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Step 2 is to update Samsung Wallet and Samsung Pay. Open Galaxy Store, search for Samsung Wallet and tap on Update. Also check for Samsung Pay updates if it's installed. If it's still installed, then step 3 is to clear Samsung Wallet cache and data. Go to Settings, tap on Apps, tap on Samsung Wallet, then tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache and then select Clear Data. Note that this may log you out. Next, you have to restart your phone and reopen the app. Step 4 is to reboot your phone. Hold down the power and the volume down buttons until the device restarts. It will help you resolve temporary software glitches. Step 5 is to remove and re-add payment cards. Open Samsung Wallet, tap on your card and remove the card. Then re-add the card and complete verification again. Step 6 is to check Samsung Wallet server status. Visit Samsung official service status page to see if there's any outage. Then step 7 is to disable VPN or proxy because VPNs can interfere with verification. So to do this, go to Settings, tap on Connections, tap on VPN and turn it off. Step 8 to verify card issuers restrictions. Some banks block digital wallet verification, so call your bank to confirm. Step 9 is to reset app preference. If the issues persist, go to Settings, tap on Apps, tap on the 3 dots and then tap on Reset App Preferences. Then the last step, which is the last resort, should be factory reset. If all else fails, you can factory reset it by going to backup data. Don't forget to backup data first. Then tap on Settings, tap on General Management, tap on Reset, and then tap on Factory Data Reset. If the issue continues, contact Samsung support via the Samsung Members app or their official support page. Hope you found this video helpful. Please comment in the section to know if it worked for you.